Hello my friends, I am Marietta and I welcome you to Marietta's Art Show. Today I'm going to show you how I created this piece. I called it Soft Breeze. The reason I called it because it's such a soft color combination. It has a lot of violet and a little bit of purplish feel to it, but very light and airy and almost like it's blowing in the air, and it's just a breeze of beautiful combinations and beautiful colorings. I added a little bit of blue to it as well, just to give it a little bit more contrast, and a lot of cells. A little bit of a light background with silver, and I hope you love it as well. And I will show you at the end close-ups of the finished piece here with all the cells. There's some really amazing cells that formed with the blues and the purples and violets. So let's go ahead and watch the video, and I'll see you after. Welcome back. As I said, I really love this color combination. I hope you did as well. I'm always trying new things, and this is a new one for me as well. A little bit different than others, a little softer, a little bit more airy, and lots of cells, and I just really am drawn to that. I really appreciate you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It helps me spread the love of art to as many people as I can. Until the next time, bardzo dziękuję. Thank you so much for watching. See you then.